Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. Today is day 10 of our 21-day Yoga HIIT Workout Challenge. So pretty much halfway there. Great job everyone. Today our mantra is going to be I am confident. I am confident. So roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay guys, so day 10, great job so far. Today we are going to be doing a new form of salutation, so get excited. It's another HIIT salutation, but it's a little bit more core focused instead of arm focused as to the one that we have been doing. But for now, we'll begin just doing some normal sun salutation A's, and then we'll do 3 of these, and then we'll do 3 of the new HIIT salutations. So coming to the top of the mat, placing the feet together or hip width distance apart, arms down by your side, stand up tall, eyes closed, or you can keep your eyes open, repeat out loud or to yourself, I am confident, I am confident. Breathe that in, notice how that feels. And when you're ready, we'll inhale, bring the arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra, elbows hug in. Exhale, back to downward facing dog, warming up the body. Breathing into the backs of the legs here. Pushing into the palms of the hands. Inhale, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, up forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop or float to the top. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, lower knees, chest, chin, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart by your sides. Take a breath here. So now we'll do some of those new HIIT salutations. So the first one, let's just go slow, just so I can kind of demonstrate it for you, and then we'll do 2 more. So we're going to inhale, normally, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to a plank. And from here, let's do 10 mountain climbers. Okay, keep that core engaged. And then from here, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe. And inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And then from here, let's do 10 high knees, or 10 seconds of high knees. So again, if you're in an apartment or have someone living below you, be mindful. So here we go. So that's one. So pretty easy. So basically it's just a normal sun salutation with mountain climbers and the high knees. So let's do 2 more of those. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold, move a little bit faster. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. 10 mountain climbers. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale to come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step hop or float. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. And 10 high knees. There we go. Do a little extra if you want to. Inhale one more time. Hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back. 10 mountain climbers. Lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feel the heart rate come up a little bit. Inhale, come up on the tippy toes. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, step, hop, or float. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. High knees. Great job, everyone. Not too bad. So, from now we're going to do some lunges with kind of like a follow through. So you might have done these before. So coming to either the middle or the top of your mat, we'll start with the right leg. I'll just demonstrate right now. So we're gonna step our right leg back and use your right arm to support your balance here. So come into a lunge, and then on the exhale, bring the right knee forward, kind of like you're following through like a kick, and then right away just step it back. So a little bit faster it looks like. Okay, so let's do 10 of those each side, starting with that right leg. When you're ready. So you exhale on the follow through. I think that's 5. 5 more. One more. Might have a little bit more there, but that's okay. So we'll move into the other leg right away. So using your left arm to support your balance. Step the left leg back. That's 5. That's 10. Let's do 2 more. Perfect. Now, right away, drop down. Let's do 15 squats. Ten. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Again, let's come to the top of the mat. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant the palms. This time, step it back to down dog. Take a breath. I am confident You are confident. When you're ready, inhale, lift up the right leg. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the right foot forward. Come up into a high lunge. Take a breath. Exhale, let the palms, step the right foot back. Move through your flow. Meet in downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Exhale, step the left foot up. Rise up into a high lunge. Take a breath. Exhale, let the palms, step it back, move through your flow. Back to down dog. Take a breath here. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Exhale, again, right knee to right elbow. Inhale up. Knee to nose. Up. Knee to left elbow. Up. Step it forward. This time we'll pivot our left foot to 90 degrees. Air guitar, left arm. Coming up into a warrior two. Right knee over right ankle, right heel in line with left arch, arms to a T. Breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Move through your flow. Come back to down dog. Inhale, lift the left leg up. Exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale up. Knee to nose, up, knee to right elbow, up, step the left foot forward, pivot the right foot to 90 degrees, air guitar your right arm, come up into a warrior two, find your foundation, breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior, exhale, cartwheel the hands, move through your flow. Exhale, back to down dog. From here, let's shift forward into plank. Hold here for 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down to your belly. From here, we're going to do some Superman crunches. So arms out long, feet out long. Take up some space. So we're going to start by pulsing with our left arm and our right leg. So basically, we're just going to go pulse up and down, keeping your right arm and your left leg on the ground. So we'll do 20 of those starting now. That's 10 more. Two more. Go over to the other side. Right arm up, left leg up. Let's do 20 on this side. Ten more. Two more. Okay, now let's do a full Superman crunch. So lifting up both arms, both legs in the same kind of pulse. Let's do 20 of these. Ten more, we got this. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Great job, everyone. Right away, let's tuck and roll. Move over onto our backs. And we'll do some more of those leg climbers that we did a few days ago. So planting the sole of the left foot into the mat, lifting the right leg up towards the sky. We'll do 15 on this side and 15 on the other. So when you're ready, climb the leg. That's 1. 5, 10 more. Keep that core engaged. 5 more. Last one. Take it over to the other side. Right away, jump right into it. 15 on this side. Five, 10 more. Five more. We got this. Last one. Okay, now let's finish it off with 30 seconds of bicycles. We got this. Halfway. Five more seconds. And bring the knees in to the chest. Whew. That's a good one. We'll take a happy baby here, grabbing the outsides of the feet, trying to keep your whole spine rooted into the mat. Breathing in to the backs of the legs. Rock side to side here if that feels nice. Take 2 more breaths here. And exhale, bring the knees into the chest. From here, roll over to whichever side your intuition is telling you to do. Into a nice little fetal pose. Take a second here to express some love for yourself. Day 10 in the books, pretty much halfway done. Congratulate yourself. And when you're ready, we'll rise up into a seated position. Whew. We'll bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. Namaste.